I hope you have been practicing at home. Otherwise, the mind becomes a lot of mud. So you have to do a lot of digging. Right? If you do that constantly, meditation, you practice it every day, you keep cleaning the mind, then you find the mind is pretty clean, comfortable. But if you don't clean the mind, just leave it there, then it's filled up with a lot of mud. Then you find it very difficult to clean because the mud is so thick. It is like your bathroom tiles, walls. Now if you clean it constantly, then you find your tiles is still very clean. The tiles is bright. But if you don't clean the tiles 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, then it has a layer of yellow color. Then you find it very hard to scrub. Even by using acid, it still won't come out. Then you need a lot of scrubbing before it can come out. The same with our mind. Every time we meditate, we clean our mind. We scrub our mind. And if we constantly scrub our mind, then our mind becomes clean, becomes pleasant, becomes comfortable, becomes peaceful, and becomes happy. Because we need to do a lot of cleaning. Why? Because every day a lot of dust comes in by ways of the 6 doors. What are the doors? Seeing door, hearing door, tasting door, touching door, smelling door, thinking door. These are the door. If it is not closed, if it is open, then the dust just get in. Very soon, our mind is filled with dust. The dust is the defilements. Defilements of greed, hatred, and delusion. And so we get confused. When we get confused, then we get disturbed. Then we have ill will. Then we get irritated. Finally, we become unhappy. Now these are defilements of the mind. But if we scrub the dirt, if it gets in, the whole day we gather so much dust, so much dirt in our mind by way of seeing, smelling, tasting, touching. We get angry, we get a lot of craving, a lot of attachment, a lot of confusion. So we need to scrub them by way of mindfulness. Mindfulness purifies the mind, makes the mind pure. How? How does mindfulness purify the mind? How does mindfulness scrub the mind? Mindfulness get rid of the dirt by way of letting go, by way of building up clean mind, by throwing away the dirt, by throwing away the dirty water and fill it up with clean water, and mind gets clean. So that's the way it goes. So you need to practice meditation as part of your life, because it produces happiness. Because this is really what we want. Happiness. Real happiness comes from the peace of mind, comes from contentment, free from fear irritation, free from craving, free from confusion. That's real happiness, a contentment, a bliss that is undisturbed. It is like the surface of the water, very still and quiet, peaceful and joyful. So when we practice mindfulness meditation, we build up samadhi, peacefulness of mind, which is important to get into wisdom. If we do not develop samadhi, the mind is disturbed, defiled, a lot of disturbances, then we can't see things as they really are. So mindfulness meditation has two purposes. First, it makes the mind peaceful and calm. Then makes the mind penetrate and see things as they really are. What is these things that they really are? Then we go to the subjects of the five aggregates.